In a swift rescue coordinated operation today, the Indian Coast Guard successfully rescued 19 lives at sea, including 18 Indians and one Ethiopian master, from motor tanker Parth, a Gabon-flagged vessel. The vessel reported flooding at about 9:23 hours around 41 miles west of Ratnagiri coast. The vessel was on passage to New Mangalore from Khor Fakkan, UAE. Within minutes of receipt of the distress call from the vessel, MRCC Mumbai swung into action. 2 Coast Guard ships patrolling in and around the area, ICGS Sujit and ICGS Apurva, were diverted to casualty ship. International Safety Net and NAVTEC's warnings were relayed to alert other merchant vessels in the area. CG Advanced Light Helicopter was deployed.